Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about why we require Next.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Next.js is a popular framework for building React applications. It offers several advantages. First one, that is server-side rendering and static side generation. Next.js allows you to render React components on the server, which improve the performance and the SEO by delivering fully rendered HTML to the client. SSG further enhances this by pre-rendering pages at build time. Second one, simplified routing. That is a very important feature, that is simplified routing. Next.js simplifies the routing process of setting up the routes of your applications. It uses the file-based routing system. It's file-based, right? Where each page corresponds to a JavaScript file in the pages directory, making navigation straightforward. I will explain this later on, that how the routing will perform in the Next.js. Automatic code splitting. It optimizes your application by automatically splitting the code bundles so necessary code is loaded for each page, leading to the faster initial page loads. API routes, one of the most important feature. Next.js allows you to create API routes easily. So here you can connect to the DB, you can create the REST API and use in your Next.js application also. So main important thing is API routes, enabling you to build backend functionalities within your front-end project. Built-in CSS support. Next.js supports various ways of handling CSS, including CSS modules, style.jsx, support for the Sass, less, and the more. Developer experience with features like hot module replacement (HMR), error reporting, and automatic code reloading. Next.js provides a smooth development experience. Ecosystem and the community. Being built on the top of the React, Next.js inherits the advantages of the React ecosystem while having its own active and supportive community. SEO benefits important. Next.js offers excellent capabilities for improving SEO due to its ability to handle server rendering and static site generation. Static site generation means like Next.js also supports the SSG where pages are generated at the build time. Okay, this results in the static HTML files for each page, making them highly indexable by search engines and especially beneficial for the content heavy sites where SEO is crucial. File-based routing, I have already explained. File-based routing in Next.js is a powerful, intuitive way to handle routing within your application. Hot module replacement. HMR allows you to change your code in real time without requiring a full reload. Seamless error handling, new feature, that is Next.js come up with a built-in error handling that allow developers to create custom error pages. When developer counters a similar error, Next.js displays the appropriate error page with the solution, saving time and effort for the developer. So these are the benefits that why we need Next.js and why we do a project in the Next.js. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. And the next video, we are going to learn about what are the next 14 new features. Okay, so all the tutorial based on the next 14. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.